Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn to Live Fully.
I work with a guy who's in a business like this for 5 years. I'm not gonna mention his name.
Yeah.
He called me up 5 years ago and said, I want you to work with me.
Yeah.
His job, a big day for them was if you had 5 meetings and 40 calls, $40. That was like, according to their big business plan, that was a day.
Yeah.
He said, I want to make more money. All this shit's just it's bogging me down. I said, this is your day? 5 meetings and 40 calls.
Like, do you start at 10 and end at 4?
And this company you work for says that this is a great day. This is what we want. I had this guy, no shit. One day, he made 1,000 cold calls and had 7 meetings.
Yeah.
So his new norm, which is now the company, like, how'd you become? He made 100,000, went to making $600,000 in 3 years.
Yeah.
That's the jump he had. Just because his mindset changed, because the company put this
label.
This is what is a good day. A good day is 40 calls, 5 meetings. I said, that's a bullshit day because you're comparing yourself with mediocre people.
Bingo. Bingo.
Do not run with mediocre people. I'm going to tell you how to beat these mediocre people. This is your new 300 dials and 8 meetings.
Yeah.
And his whole world changed.
Let's learn to live fully. Learn to Live Fully is focused on educating you on the immense power each of you has within. We provide several techniques, methods, and wisdom that help you to live your life to your full potential. As our primary focus is on personal growth, we provide videos, audiobooks, blogs that help you learn to live fully. Please do check out our online store at http://learn2livefully.com/shop/ and order online courses and ebooks that help you to learn to live your life to your full potential. All our products are available at a discounted and affordable price right now. Please find the link to the Learn to Live Fully online store in the description below. Order now. Thank you.